Located in the industrial heart of Egypt's 10th of October city, ZAMZAM Printing is a large-scale integrated printing and packaging manufacturer. Its facility encompasses multiple critical production lines including high-speed printing, plate making and packaging processing, demanding exceptional equipment stability and production environment safety. To ensure round-the-clock fire safety across its expansive factory buildings, flammable material storage areas, and high-speed machinery zones, the project implemented TNA's complete TX7 series fire alarm system. The TX7004 fire alarm control panel comprise of a range of analog addressable, microprocessor-based fire alarm control equipment with 4 loops, and each loop is capable to accommodate of 254 addressable devices. It achieves a wiring distance of up to 1 kilometer. It also supports multiple interface protocols and bus-powered devices, reducing wiring costs. Front-end devices, including the TX7100 addressable smoke detector, TX7130 conventional reflective beam, and the TX7300 addressable sounder strobe, rapidly detect fires in their early stages and emit clear alerts. Not only elevates the overall safety level of the factory premises, but also establishes a robust and reliable fire barrier for the enterprise's continuous production operations.